In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply for Wolt delivery work online. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is actually head over to the Wolt website. Once you're on that page, it should look similar to what you're seeing on screen now, and we just want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. From there, we'll be able to find this section which says Get Paid as a Courier Partner. From there, we can see an Apply button underneath, and we just want to go ahead and click Apply Now. From there, it gives you a list of countries and you have to select which one you are from. However, if you can't find your country on this list, that means that it won't be possible to apply as a Wolt delivery driver. However, let's just say I was from Germany, I could go ahead and select this, and we can now apply to become a German Wolt courier. So we can go ahead and click Apply Now, and from there we can start filling out all of this information. So there is 6 different steps which we have to go through, and the first step is Apply. So here's where they ask us basic information such as our first and last name, what our email address is, and all other important information like that. So we just have to fill this all out and we can go ahead and send off our application. From there, if you get accepted, you can go ahead and verify your account, and from there you'll get an introduction. You can then download the app, and once you've done that, you can accept the contract which they propose to you. Once you've done that, you'll now be a Wolt delivery driver, and you can go ahead and order the gear, which is the delivery uniform and this bag to carry the food in. Once you have completed that final step, you'll now be a Wolt delivery driver, and you can use the Wolt app to manage all of the orders that you get, and you can use that to help you deliver them. So that's how you can apply for Wolt delivery work online. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.